because we are doing lesson number 3, keeping clean, and today we are going to discuss some worksheets. Okay, here you can see an image, cleanliness, keeping our body clean. How can we clean our body? Now listen it carefully. We must keep our body clean for good health. Cleanliness prevents diseases and make us feel fresh. Now let's see some good habits for healthy body. As you can see in the given slide, do not oversleep. Get up early in the morning. Brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. As you can see, a child is cleaning his teeth. Number 2, take a bath every day with soap and water. Number 3, use a clean towel to wipe your body. Comb your hair neatly. Always wear clean and tidy clothes. Do not put your fingers in your mouth. As I told you yesterday, when you are putting your fingers in your mouth, it means you are eating germs. So you can prevent your body from germs when you are clipping your nails and when you are washing your hands. Nails should be cut at least once a week, and clean your ears too. Now here you can see hand washing steps. There are different steps. You should know how to clean your hands. So turn by turn, I'll guide you. Number 1, turn on water. सबसे पहले पानी खोलना है. Number 2, wet hands. हाथ गीले करने हैं. Number 3, scrub with soap. सोप के साथ हाथों को मलना है. स्क्रब मलना है, रगड़ना है. Number 4, rinse clean. पानी के साथ धो लेना है. Number 5, dry hands. फिर हाथों को सुखा लेना है. I repeat it. Number 1, turn on water. Number 2, wet hands. Number 3, scrub with soap. Number 4, rinse clean. And number 5, dry hands. This way, students, you can wash your hands. And in these days, at least you should wash your hands 20 seconds. 20 seconds you will wash your hands carefully. Maybe you have seen different videos regarding how to wash your hands. So hand wash is very important in these days. Everybody should wash their hands. Okay, cleanliness, keeping our house clean. Okay, from Monday, we have learned, from Monday to today, students, we are learning about how to keep yourself clean. Now, in the given slide, you will learn how to keep your home clean. Because you are living in your home and your home should be clean and neat. So how can you clean your house? Listen it carefully. Number 1, dust your house. यानी डस्टिंग करें, झाड़ पोंछ करें, उसको सारी मिट्टी को साफ करें. Number 2, clean furniture. जितना भी फर्नीचर है, लाइक चेयर, टेबल, सोफा, डाइनिंग टेबल, you have to clean all the things. सारा फर्नीचर साफ करें. Number 3, clean mirror and glass. ग्लास, जितना भी ग्लास है, मिरर है, खिड़कियां हैं, शीशे हैं, सारी सरफेसेस साफ करें, क्लीन करें. Number 4, clean surfaces. जितनी भी सर्फेसिस हैं, लाइक जितनी भी स्मूथ प्लेसेस हैं, लाइक डाइनिंग टेबल, like your own table, students, you have to clean all the areas, all the surfaces. Number 5, clean the kitchen and bathroom too. अपने किचन को और अपने बाथरूम को भी साफ रखें. नंबर 6, क्लीन फ्लोर्स. जितने भी आपके घर के फर्श हैं, सब तरफ उसकी सफाई करें, उसको साफ और क्लीन करें. I repeat all the steps how to clean your house. Number 1, dust your house. Number 2, clean furniture. Number 3, clean mirror and glass. Number 4, clean surfaces. Number 5, clean the kitchen and bathroom. And number 6, clean floors. This way you can clean your house. Okay, playing and staying fit. In these days, we all are at home, and how can we play and how can we stay fit? There are different games, students, we can play, and in the given slide, you can see in the first picture, you can see 2 children are running. So you can run if you have a garden, if you have a park near your house, you should run at least 1 hour. So running is very important. Number 2, you can see a girl is taking exercise. So you should know how to do some exercises, and teacher Farah taught you some exercises you can do at home. Number 3, a girl is drinking juice. So you can also take fresh juices and drink lots of water. Brush your teeth when you eat something sweet. And the next one is, you can see a boiled egg, almond, papaya and pineapple. All this type of food contains vitamins and protein. So this type of food is healthy for you. So eat every day boiled egg, almond, papaya, any fruit you can eat. There are different fruits available in market, so you can eat whatever you want to eat, and pineapple. So this way you can keep yourself clean, healthy and fit. Okay, in the given slide, students, you can see a child is holding a banana and he is showing to others, and it is saying health is well. Health is well. It means तंदुरुस्ती हजार नेमत है. When you eat a balanced diet, when you are taking exercise, when you are keeping yourself clean, all these things are very good for your health. So it is written here, health is well. तंदुरुस्ती हजार नेमत है, और इसके लिए आपको बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें खानी है, लाइक बनाना, मैंगो, एप्पल, और भी जो अच्छी अच्छी चीजें हैं आपने खानी है, जिनमें विटामिन्स हैं, जिनमें कैल्शियम है, जिनमें पोटाशियम है. केले में बहुत ज्यादा पोटाशियम होता है और वो आपके लिए, आपके स्टमक के लिए, आपकी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. So it's very good for you. So take each banana every day. Okay, next slide. You can see 3 children are cleaning their environment. So when we are living at home, definitely we all are cleaning our homes, but students, you should check your surroundings also. So we should not throw garbage in front of our house and in our street. we should keep clean our streets and roads also. And every day you should check your surroundings. Okay. In this slide, you can see a girl and a dustbin. And can you see what she is doing? Yes, she is throwing garbage in a dustbin. She is throwing a garbage in a dustbin. So all your garbage and your extra things you can throw in dustbin. Don't throw here and there on floor and under your furniture. You should keep your house clean, and this is a very good habit to throw all your wastage in dustbin. Every day we are teaching you how to do this work. Okay. Next slide, students. You can see all people are wearing masks. In these days, it is very dangerous to go outside. But if you have to go outside, if it is necessary, wear mask, because this way you can protect yourself. When you breathe outside, you inhale one germ that is called coronavirus. So protect yourself from coronavirus. When you wear mask, you can protect yourself. So everybody should wear mask when we are going out. Okay. A girl is sneezing. When you have this type of feeling, put your nose in your arm. This way you can protect others. So okay. Now I have another worksheet for you. Put a tick or cross in the box. These are some good habits you have to learn, and you will respond. How many sentences are wrong and how many sentences are correct. So that is all about, students. Eat a balanced diet, maintain weight, having enough sleep, sleep early and wake up early. So all these things keep in your mind and listen your teachers carefully. Do your work and learn all the work that you are doing in your copies and books. Okay. Now turn by turn, I will read all these sentences for you. Number one, when we meet people, we should wish them. This is a correct sentence. When we meet people, we should wish them. जब हम दूसरों से मिलते हैं तो हमें उनको विश करना है. Good morning, peace be with you, and assalamu alaikum and salam. This way we can wish them. ठीक है? You know our school culture is peace be with you. So when we meet, we say peace be with you. So this is our school culture. But when you meet your relatives, your friends, your cousins, you can wish them whatever you want to say, like assalamu alaikum, salam, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Number two, we should push others to go ahead. हमें दूसरों को धक्का देके आगे जाना है. It's a cross sentence. We should wait for our turn. Number three, we should stay late and watch TV. हमें ज़्यादा टीवी नहीं देखना. It's very dangerous for your eyes. So it's a cross sentence. You will put cross in the given box. Number four, we should not throw rubbish on the road. हमें सड़क पर कूड़ा नहीं फेंकना. हमें जो भी हमारा वेस्टेज है, रबिश है, कूड़ा है, उसको रोड पर नहीं फेंकना. अगर हर कोई अपना कूड़ा रोड पर फेंकेगा तो रोड सारे ब्लॉक हो जाएंगे. So it's a bad habit. So this sentence is correct. We should not throw rubbish on the road. Number five, we should be always on time. हमें हमेशा अपने वक्त का ख्याल रखना है. Be punctual, be regular with your online classes also. I read it again, students, for you. When we meet people, we should wish them. Correct sentence. Number 2, we should push others to go ahead. It's a cross sentence. Number 3, we should stay late and watch TV. हमें देर तक नहीं जागना और ज्यादा टीवी नहीं देखना. ठीक है? It's a cross sentence. Number 4, we should not throw rubbish on the road. हमें सड़क पर कूड़ा नहीं फेंकना. It's a correct sentence. Number 5, we should be always on time. हमें हमेशा वक्त का ख्याल रखना है. That is all about our worksheets. And students, you will write these true false in your copy. Okay. Previous were keeping clean. Just for your revision, we will see all these slides again. Okay. You have to read lesson number 3. Keeping clean. अगर आपने नहीं पढ़ा, so kindly students read this lesson at home and underline all difficult words. Next, clean or dirty. Which image do you like? Definitely you like clean image, because here you can see everything is lying in disorder. So people always like ordered things. So we like this image. Which child do you think is better, dirty or clean? Definitely you will like clean child. Keeping clean. Okay, you can brush your teeth twice a day, but when you are cleaning your teeth, students, you should not waste water. So always save water. Have a bath or a shower every day to clean yourself. So you can take bath every day. Keep your nose clean. Use your handkerchief or a tissue. You can use tissue and handkerchief to clean your nose. Wash your hands before eating anything. Wash your hands with soap after you have been to toilet. Cut your nails regularly. Keep them clean. Brush or comb your hair. Question answers I'm going to read for you. What other things do you do to keep clean? Hopefully you all have written these questions in your social studies copy. If you did not write, students, you can do this work because today you are having last class. Okay, number 1, what other things do you do to keep clean? Answer is I clean my ears, cut nails, wear clean clothes, and keep my books and bag clean. Question number 2, what things do you need to keep yourself clean? Answer is water, soap, towel, nail clippers, toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, clean clothes. Students, you can write in numbers. Number 1, number 2, this way you can memorize. Okay, our clothes. We must also keep our clothes clean. Yasir and Anam are helping their mother. She is busy washing clothes. Anam and Yasir are hanging them out to dry. When the clothes are dry, the children will fold them neatly. You can also help your mother, because in these days you are living at home and you have spare time to help your mother. We all wear clothes. Clothes cover and protect our bodies. And when it is cold, we wear warm clothes. When it is hot, we wear light clothes. So during summer, we wear light and loose clothes. And during winter, we wear warm clothes like jackets, caps, sweaters, joggers, and socks. Okay. At school, we wear a uniform. What is our school? What type of clothes we are wearing at school? Okay, at school we wear a uniform. In the given slide, you can see children are wearing uniform. Okay, question answers. What clothes do you wear in winter? सर्दी में कौन से कपड़े आप पहनते हैं? आंसर, वी वेयर वार्म क्लोथ्स इन विंटर. वार्म क्लोथ्स का मतलब है गर्म कपड़े जो आपकी बॉडी को गर्म रखते हैं और कंफर्ट देते हैं. नंबर 2, व्हाट क्लोथ्स डू यू वेयर इन समर? आंसर, वी वेयर लाइट क्लोथ्स इन समर. हम गर्मी में हल्के कपड़े, पतले कपड़े पहनते हैं. नंबर 3, मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ क्लोथ्स यू आर वेयरिंग नाउ. Frock, shirt, knickers, shorts and trousers. Okay, work page. You have to match all these pictures with the words like towel, comb, soap, toothpaste, nail clippers and handkerchief. You have to match all these words with the given pictures. So easily you can do. Fill in the blanks. Okay, I use water and soap to wash my hands. I use dash to cut my nails, nail clippers. Number 3, I use a dash to keep my nose clean, tissue. I brush my dash in the morning and at night, teeth. I dash my hair to look neat, comb. C activity, pick the correct answer. We wear warm clothes when it is cold. सर्दी में हम किस तरह के कपड़े पहनते हैं? Warm clothes. So third is a correct answer. Third option. Number 2, we dash our clothes to make them clean. हम अपने कपड़ों को क्या करते हैं कि वो clean हो जाते हैं? First option, wash. We wash our clothes to make them clean. Number 3, when our clothes have been washed and dried, we should dash. First option, fold them neatly. Second option, put them on the floor. Okay, first option, you will write fold them neatly. हम उनको बड़ी अच्छी तरह से तय करके रखते हैं. So first option you will take. You can write, you can take. Both options are correct. That is all about students for today. Hopefully you are doing your work neatly in your copy and books. And if you have any question, you can type in chat box. Now I am going to read your questions.